Hello everyone, welcome to the Monday unboxing. Today I'm going to do an unboxing of the Aula SI-859 backlit gaming keyboard. I was able to get this at a slight discount to try, and so yeah, let's get started with the unboxing. So this isn't a mechanical keyboard, just so you know. This keyboard retails right now for $23.18. This has LED backlighting. It has 3 colors that you can change it to. Not a big fan of that, but it is what it is. It has laser carving characters, non-slip design for the best gaming performance, and an ergonomic gaming design for the maximum comfort and slickness. A strengthened spacebar for the maximum life and long hours of gaming. So yeah, and as you can tell right now, this keyboard did come from China. It is what it is. So in front of the box we have what the keyboard looks like. On the back, we do have some specifications on some specifications of the keyboard. This does have function keys, I believe. Oh, well, yes, it does have function keys. And so there's not much to it with the box. So yeah, let's just get started with the unboxing, because that's what you guys came here for. You didn't come here for specs and all that. Let's open this up. You guys be the first ones to see it. We're greeted with the keyboard. Let's take the keyboard out. Some goodies. Now we have they included some clear keycaps. That is nice, and a key remover. So I would assume you would use these to replace like the WASD and this arrow keys. I would assume that's what you would use those for, because that LED backlight would like go through them. This is what the keyboard looks like. Let's undo this too. This is a plug-and-play keyboard, so there is no software. Not a really big fan of the keyboards that are just plug-and-play keyboard, just because I like the software where I can customize it and different things. So on the box, we just have some a warranty card and a manual that basically again goes over the specs and different things. Nothing too fancy. On the USB cable, it has a rubber cable, and a gold-plated USB end with a big connector that says Gaming Series. I've seen this on something else too. I can't remember what I saw. I think I saw it on a mouse once before. And this is what the keyboard looks like. All this around the keys is glossy, so that will get a bunch of fingerprints, which I'm not that big of a fan of that. And then down here you do have like a nice armrest, and then the down here is also glossy. And on the back of the keyboard, it is all glossy. This is I believe it is a waterproof keyboard. Well, not waterproof, but water resistant. If you would spill something, it won't destroy this keyboard. Let's take a look at a key. Let's take the key off. So far, overall, the keyboard does look pretty nice. I could probably get used to it and use it. But I just recently got a Logitech gaming keyboard, and I kind of fell in love with it, so I don't think I really want to switch out major keyboards, but I would give it a try and test out. So this is what the key looks like. Typical keyboard that you get from if you buy a market PC like an HP or something that comes with like a keyboard like this. The typical keycap, well, I guess the entire mechanism. So not too fancy, it's just a regular keyboard. Nothing fancy about it. The only fanciness is it lights up. Let's see if I can actually have it light up, because I actually got a USB port over here, and we can take a look at the lights. Let's see if I can plug it in. And this is what the backlight looks like. The backlit. Overall, the backlit does look pretty nice. And then this does have, I assume, you push the function and not quite sure right offhand on how to change the lighting. And it also could be because I'm in Mac too. That's probably why it's detecting this actually being a key. But they do say this works with all the Windows keyboards, all the Windows keyboards. I mean, all the. Actually, this locks the Shift key. That locks the Shift key. I can't see. This keyboard should change colors, but I can't see how it does it right offhand. So I'd have to play around with it and look to see exactly. But that does lock. This locks the Windows key, where if you push the Windows key, nothing would happen. And there's nothing as like a switch that makes the colors change. So yeah, I'd have to investigate that a little bit and see exactly how that changes, because I don't even think the user manual talks about how to change the colors on the keyboard. Let's see. Oh, it is. I think. If I can find English, but I can't find English. That's kind of bad. Oh, here we go. Backlit convenient. This is a 5-pad. I don't know what the 5-pad is. Oh, 5-pad. Oh, over here. Okay, I see it now. So you press the function keys, the function, and then the key over here. We have brightness. You can change. That's like a purple, they say, but I think it's more pink. That's usually what the color I have everything set, because I just never really had a nice color to set, so I set everything to like pinkish. So yeah, that's where you would search over on the numeric pad. And like I said, it only has 3 colors. I don't know why there's just 3 colors. It's kind of weird. You can also change the brightness of it, or the how, like if it fades. Or you can have a light brightness, or you can have it where it kind of like fades in and out. So yeah, overall this keyboard seems kind of interesting, and hopefully it works out for me and I give it a positive review. But so far it seems like a pretty nice keyboard, and so far it does actually look like it's working with Mac, so that is a kind of a good thing. Because I know I did do a review of a keyboard that did not work with a Mac, and I'm just like, why? But yeah, so hope you like this video. Please like, subscribe, comment, and share. If you interested in picking this product up, I will leave a link down below where you can pick it up, because like I said, right now it is $23.18. Not really, it's $6 off of the original price, but I would assume this would always be on sale and probably go down even more than what it is listed right now. But yeah, hope you liked this video. Please like I said, please like and subscribe, and I will see you in the review.